Alright, we got our head here. We let the stick dry, so now we're going to drill our hole in here for our string. And I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit for this. And you want to try to come out in your center here. Check this. And take this back off so you can see. So we're pretty well center where I want to go in here. So that's pretty good. So we're just going to bore this hole open a little more. Just so the string will slide a lot easier in there. So we got that right where we want it. If you're off center or to the side or whatever, just pull back out and move the bit over farther. So now that we got this, we'll be able to start working on the mouth. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.